Good day to Madam Hanita and my fellow friends. I'm Kalpana from Group 1 and my group mates are Tibanjali, Priscilla and Tashwini. The topic that we have chosen are probation period. Let's move into our topic. The definition part. Probation is a trial period of work in which someone is employed subject to successfully completing their probation period within the time frame specified. Moreover, a probation period shall be from the date on which someone begins work during which he may be assessed as suitable for his employer and whether it is necessary for him remain in employment. Furthermore, the probation period of time applies to employee who is required to prove that he has been fit for the job in question as regards his or her performance, behavior and also the character. Under Section 42(2) of the Employment Act, an employee may be placed on probation period for 6 months, but this period can be extended for further period of 6 months with agreements of employee. The court have several held that the employee ought to communicate the confirmations of employment or extension of the probation period after the initial probation period come to an end. Next, I would like to explain about the terms in probations. There are 4 terms. The first term is probationer. From my understanding, the contrast between a confirmed employee and someone on probation is made by case law. A probationer is a new employee who is through a trial period in their job to prove their eligibility for a position that the employee offered them. Therefore, the employee should really perform well in order for the employer to select them as a permanent candidates. Let's move on to a second term, which is probation trial period. The employer and employee must agree on the probations. The length of the probations is not governed by law. Usually the probation period are 3 to 6 months in a period that the line manager will normally responsible on the monitoring progress of a new employee. Also, he or she will review on the meeting to be arranged at the end of the probation period to check whether the new employee is pass or fail in order to, if it's necessary for them to extend the probation period. The third terms are extensions or confirmations. At the ending of the probation period, the employee either extends or confirms the employee's employment in writing. The decisions are prolonged or confirmed and employee service is purely decisions of the employer. Only the employer have the rights to make the decisions. For the last term is terminations of employee. The law says as a probation employee has exactly the same right as the permanent or his or her service may not be terminated without reasonable cause and excuse. The term just cause and excuse may be confusing for most of you. To put in a simple term, it is practically means that employer must contain strong justifications to put reasons for to terminate an employee before the probation period. For example, once an employee probation time has expired, even if their work is satisfied, they do not have the rights to be confirmed. For more understanding on probation, I would like to give an example of scenario. For example, Vasu joined as an administration clerk in a company called Bloomsdale Enterprise. In the company hiring process, the employer Abu placed Vasu on probation period. As you all know, the probation period is 3 months. For example, starting from 27th February until 27th May. During the probation period, Vasu has assigned tasks related to his job. The employee Abu gives him a guidance, advice and assistance to complete the given task for him. In this way, employer Abu observe and supervise Vasu closely whether he is really suitable for the job or not by doing tasks given him and test whether he is truly capable of doing the task given by him. Employer Abu did details analysis of Vasu's performance on his daily tasks and attitude such as his attendance. Moreover, Vasu provides proof that he has been fit for the job through his performance, his behavior and character. He shows that his talent and skill in task performance with a perfect attendance record. At the last, after 3 months of probation period, the employer Abu confirmed Vasu as a permanent employee based on the observations of his performance, attitude, talent during the probation period. As a conclusion, a probation period is extremely useful opportunity to see whether new employee is suitable for the role. Thank you.